where memories are made and teams get a chance to get together and get to know each other on a more personal level.
It is a great way to bring different teams together and build new relationships.
I think SOTI Day is a time to kick back and celebrate and appreciate the hard work of all our teams.
What a better way to celebrate than with a day of fun that's as unique and dynamic as our team.
Everyone's here today. Our CEO, director, managers, and interns all competing together as a team.
If you could sum up SOTI's culture in one word, what would it be?
Wonderful!
Amazing.
Exciting! Cultural! Passionate! One word?
Vibrant.
Global!
Fun!
Inspiring! Respectful! Teamwork! It's great! Strong! Innovative! Diverse! Friendly!
Supportive!
Family!
And it's a true testament to our employees and how much we want to emphasize the importance of them coming out, having fun, enjoying the day.